Oh, I'm so full. So full of biscottis. I'm gonna mash it. Spread it around the plate so it looks like I'm done. Oh, Bruce. Ugh.
He's over there.
Ugh. Ugh. So full. So full. Are you so full? Okay, let's get a look at the damage here. Not so bad. It's not in your hair.
A little over here.
Bless you. Okay, so bye-bye. Bye, Mommy.